Your question is, which one of the following characteristics is not true for unitary form of government? Your options are A. Swift decision, B. Flexible, C. Ideal for large countries, D. Uniformity of laws, E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is C. Ideal for large countries. Your question is, which of the following is not a feature of good governance? Your options are A. Accountability, B. Transparency, C. Rule of law, or D. Red tapeism. Right answer is D. Red tapeism. Your question is, which one is the most prominent element of a state? Your options are A. Flag, B. Capital, C. Sovereignty, or D. Head of state. Right answer is C. Sovereignty. Your question is, with reference to the sovereignty of India, which of the following statements is or are correct? First, India is a member of Commonwealth of Nations. Second, sovereignty of India is curtailed due to its membership of Commonwealth of Nations. Select the correct answer using the quotes given below. Quotes: A. One only, B. Two only, C. One and two both, or D. Neither one nor two. Right answer is A. One only. India is a member of Commonwealth of Nations. Your question is, the state is everywhere, it leaves hardly a gap. This statement explains the concept of. Your options are A. Welfare state, B. Communist state, C. Democratic state, or D. Police state. Right answer is A. Welfare state. Your question is, which one of the following is not the feature of Indian Constitution? Your options are A. Parliamentary government, B. Presidential government, C. Independence of judiciary, or D. Federal government. Right answer is B. Presidential government. Your question is, there is parliamentary system of government in India because the. Your options are A. Lok Sabha is elected directly by the people, B. Parliament can amend the constitution, C. Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved, or D. Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Council of Ministers is responsible to the Lok Sabha. Your question is, in which report of the Second Administrative Reforms Commission barriers of good governance in India have been identified? Your options are A. Ethics in governance, B. Citizen-centric administration, the heart of governance, C. Promoting e-governance, or D. Local governance. Right answer is B. Citizen-centric administration, the heart of governance. Your question is, in a parliamentary system of government, your options are A. Judiciary controls executive, B. Executive controls judiciary, C. Executive controls legislature, or D. Legislature controls executive. Right answer is D. Legislature controls executive. Your question is, the main advantage of the parliamentary form of government is that. Your options are A. The executive and legislature work independently, B. It provides continuity of policy and is more efficient, C. The executive remains responsible to the legislature, or D. The head of the government cannot be changed without election. Right answer is C. The executive remains responsible to the legislature. Your question is, in a presidential government, all the executive powers are vested in. Your options are A. President, B. Cabinet, C. Legislature, or D. Upper House. Right answer is A. President. Your question is, a parliamentary system of government is one in which. Your options are A. All political parties in the parliament are represented in the government, B. The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it, C. The government is elected by the people and can be removed by them, or D. The government is chosen by the parliament but cannot be removed by it before completion of a fixed term. Right answer is B. The government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. Your question is, consider the following statements. First, India is a democratic polity. Second, India is a sovereign state. Third, India has a democratic society. Fourth, India is a welfare state. Which of the above statements are true? Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 2, 3 and 4 only, or D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. India is a democratic polity, India is a sovereign state, India has a democratic society, and India is a welfare state. Your question is, which one of the following is not a feature of Indian polity? Your options are A. A government following the constitution, B. Democratic government, C. Rule of law, or D. Authoritarian government. Right answer is D. Authoritarian government.